All right, good morning, guys. Welcome to the Monday Directions here. Still last day of looking at the French and Indian War. We've kind of covered it pretty good by now. This is kind of like a cherry on top. This is the last day of learning new stuff for this units. Where we'll be quizzing tomorrow, or we'll be reviewing tomorrow, quizzing on Wednesday. So if you're an online student, look out for the quiz that'll be online on Wednesday. I'll throw all the resources material up tomorrow to help you with the review to make sure we're all squared away. All right, so last thing, just a little CRT to end it off. Good Monday, easy points for you guys. Hopefully covering all maybe the stuff that you missed. So kind of covering the gaps here. So you just got to read through this little French and Indian War CRT. It'll go through all the stuff we talked about one more time. It'll even talk about how it's going to help lead to the American Revolution. So it's also finishing off this unit and kind of giving us a little preview for next one. Once you're done reading it, then just go over here to the CRT template form. If you want to write on it, obviously just click File, make a copy with this one. Or if you just want to answer these questions on a Google Doc and turn it in, that's fine too. You guys know the drill. But yeah, that's how we do it. 10 points for the CRT today. Tomorrow will be review material. Wednesday will be the quiz. Thursday, we'll start our American Revolution units. All right, guys, that's it for today. Talk to you later.